Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about a video and writing the code for something called a lucky draw. What you're going to be using a library, which if you guys watched my videos before, a library we've already used before, not NumPy, but random library. May sound like an easy question, but it's hard. Let's start. First, we have to import random as R. That's the easiest way because instead of just putting random, it's going to take too long. So we can put it as something shorter, like R, let's say. Now we make a function. So define lucky number, let's say. It's going to be an even or odd choice. We're going to make the choice. So choice. My bad. Choice equals to input, bracket quotation marks, odd or even. So the user is going to pick between odd or even. If I say a number, okay, let me use my animator. So let's say O for odd and E for even. If let's say the user, okay, we're doing an input. So the user picks O. He picks an odd number. So we can pick an odd number from 1 to 99. But since we're going to use loop in this, so we have to use 100 because n value minus 1. So 100 minus 1 is 99. So the user will choose odd. Then we're going to make a list of all the odd numbers from 1 to 99. Right? Then then it will choose any odd number from 1 to 99. Okay? And it skip counts by 2. So it starts from 1, then 1 plus 2 is 3, 5, because 3 plus 2 is 5, and so on. Same thing for even, okay? So I hope you're getting what I mean by this. Okay, we're gonna first make our odd list equals to empty list for I in range 1 to 100, 2 steps, okay? That's what I mean. Now we have to, all these odd numbers we have to add them into our odd list, right? So odd dot append I. So this I, as you can see here, is the values for all the odd numbers. Now we have to do this for even. Then we'll get into if conditions. Next, even equals to empty list. We can copy this because that's the same. So Control C, right? Make it even. Then 1 to 101, which will be 1 to 100, and that's going to be 2 to 100 to make it so it can be even. Now we're going to start with the if condition. So if choice if choice equals to odd, let's say. Okay, we're gonna start first with odd. What we have to do first is random odd number, right? Equals to R, not random. R dot choice. Why can't we use random here? Random, we need 2 arguments. So we need one number starting the number to an end number. But we're using one argument here, which is our list. Odd. So choose from this odd list any odd number. If the user doesn't choose odd, but it chooses even, we do the same thing and it picks the even number from the even list. Any random even number. If the user picks an even. Now we just have to print it. Print odd and print even. Okay? Now call the function because in the first place we had a function. We defined a function called lucky number, right? So we call the function. If we don't call the function, then we can't print the output. Like let's say somebody gives me their phone number, right? Let's say I have to call them at 6. But if I don't have their phone number, how can I call them at 6? That's the same thing. We defined the function at line 2. But then, if we didn't call the function, how are we supposed to print it? And to show you all the odd number and even list, so I'll just print odd here. Where's the even? Print even. Oh yeah, and we have to put random odd number, okay? So as the even number. Okay, let's run it. So, okay, it's just gonna wait. Okay. Let's say the user picks even. Now, if you have a notebook, then you can do this. Follow me. The user picks even. So O for odd and E for even. So we picked even. Let's say the user picks even. Okay, any user. Let's say a user comes in named little guy. Yeah. He uh comes, he wants to choose even. Okay? So when he chooses even, it will choose between 2 to 100, not 101. Remember, end value, which was 101, minus 1, which is 100, basically. So it's going to be 2 to 100. So it picks any random even number, and steps are 2, meaning it plus 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. So we'll pick any random even number. For example, 20. Okay? Or 26. But if the user picks odd, we do the same thing, and it will pick a random odd number. For example, 3 or 1. Okay, so here it's printing a random even number 10. And this big thing is our list for odd and even because I printed it there. So you may be wondering, why is it doing the same thing again? Because we made a loop, of course. You see in line 5, for I in range 1 to 99. So it will print the odd list 99 times. As you can see here how much this is. Same thing for even, 2 to 100. Because we use a loop here. And as soon as we printed the odd, it showed us this because of a loop. right? So we can just if we comment that thing, it won't do that stuff. Watch. Let's now pick odd. Guess an odd number. I'm guessing 33. It picked 5. But it's not showing that odd and even list because we commented that. So you now see when we print the odd and even, you can actually see the whole process, how it's working, actually. Okay? So the easiest way to do this, if you don't get anything, if you don't get the thing, if you don't get something, print that something that you don't understand. Then you will understand what that means. Okay? So thank you everyone for listening to my video. I hope you like it and bye.